Welcome to the channel, Crypto DNA. Today we are going to do a quick summary. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates on a peer-to-peer network called the blockchain. It was created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group of people using the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Unlike traditional currencies, such as the US dollar or the euro, Bitcoin is not issued or regulated by any central authority like a government or financial institution. Bitcoin utilizes cryptography to secure transactions and control the creation of new units. It allows for secure and transparent peer-to-peer transactions without the need for intermediaries. Transactions are verified by network participants through complex mathematical algorithms, and these transactions are recorded on the blockchain, a public ledger accessible to all. One of the defining features of Bitcoin is its limited supply. There will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins in existence, making it a deflationary currency. This scarcity, along with its decentralized nature, has contributed to Bitcoin's value and popularity as a store of value and a speculative investment. Bitcoin has gained attention for its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems, offer financial inclusivity to the unbanked, and enable borderless transactions. However, it has also faced criticism for its volatility, energy consumption, and association with illicit activities. Overall, Bitcoin represents a novel approach to currency and has sparked a broader interest in cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Check the description for the latest deals and promotions. You can also visit our website for more content, merchandise, and other special offers. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.